Transform your garden into a vibrant haven for bees, butterflies, and birds with pollinator-friendly garden design. By creating an environment that supports these essential creatures, you not only enhance the beauty of your garden but also contribute to the health of the ecosystem. Explore the principles, plant choices, and design strategies that will help you attract and nurture pollinators, ensuring your garden thrives with life and color. Diverse plant selection. Choose a variety of native plants that bloom at different times throughout the year, providing a continuous food source for pollinators and ensuring your garden remains attractive year-round. Flower shapes and colors. Opt for a mix of flower shapes and colors to cater to different pollinators. Bees are drawn to blue, purple, and yellow flowers, while butterflies prefer bright colors like red, orange, and pink. Layered planting. Incorporate plants of varying heights and types, including trees, shrubs, perennials, and annuals, to create a layered landscape that offers shelter, nesting sites, and diverse foraging opportunities. Colorful groupings. Plant flowers in large groups or drifts to make them more visible and attractive to pollinators, facilitating easier foraging and navigation. Fragrance and scent. Include aromatic plants like rosemary, mint, and hyacinths that emit strong scents to draw pollinators and add sensory appeal to your garden. Windbreaks and shelter. Create windbreaks using hedges, fences, or dense plantings to protect pollinators from strong winds and provide sheltered areas for rest and feeding. Conclusion. Creating a pollinator-friendly garden design is a rewarding endeavor that enhances the beauty and biodiversity of your outdoor space. By selecting the right plants, providing essential habitats, and adopting eco-friendly practices, you can attract and support bees, butterflies, and birds, fostering a thriving and dynamic garden ecosystem. Let these design ideas inspire you to cultivate a garden that not only delights the senses but also contributes to the well-being of vital pollinator species. Embrace the beauty and functionality of a pollinator-friendly garden and enjoy the vibrant life it brings to your home.